Sometimes the valve does not turn on even though the irrigation controller is sending power to it. If the valve worked previously, the other valves are still working, and you have checked that the valve wiring is connected, then this may mean the solenoid needs to be replaced. First, shut off the main water supply to your irrigation system. Disconnect the wires to the solenoid by cutting them or by unscrewing the wire nuts. Turn the solenoid counterclockwise to remove it. Install the replacement solenoid by rotating it clockwise until it is hand-tight. Be careful not to over-tighten the solenoid as you could damage the valve. Turn the irrigation water supply back on. Turn the solenoid counterclockwise 1/4 turn to allow water flow. Next, connect the solenoid to your sprinkler timer. Use watertight wire nuts to protect the connections from water. Connect the white wire on all solenoids to the common wire, which is also usually white. Then connect the other solenoid wire to a power wire, which is usually colored. Each solenoid should be connected to a different color wire. Your Rainbird valve is now ready to use.